Hey, this is Keith. Thanks for checking in. This video is a short video of the Memorial Day weekend up at the cabin in Outing, Minnesota. Our cabin is on Lake Roosevelt, and we had some time with family and friends this weekend. And this video is just a montage of some of the enjoyable times that we had during the weekend. Come on, Peach. She is kind of pushing herself.
She's like trying to stop her feet, like she wants to go back. Dad's like, I'm good.